Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Expo Go versus VS Code. Understanding the differences between these two essential tools can significantly streamline your development process. Expo Go serves as a convenient mobile app for instantly previewing your React Native projects on physical devices, offering a quick feedback loop. On the other hand, VS Code is a comprehensive code editor, providing a robust environment for writing, debugging, and managing various types of code. We will explore their unique strengths and ideal use cases to help you decide which tool, or combination of tools, best suits your project's needs. Expo Go excels in providing an incredibly fast way to see your React Native app running on a real device. You simply scan a QR code, and your project appears on your phone or tablet, bypassing the often time-consuming native build steps. This makes it an excellent choice for quick iterations, testing UI changes, and getting immediate feedback. It's particularly valuable for developers who want to focus solely on JavaScript and React Native without diving into the complexities of native mobile development environments, saving many hours of setup time. VS Code stands as a cornerstone for professional development, offering a rich and highly customizable environment. It's not just an editor. It's an integrated development environment that supports nearly every programming language imaginable through its vast array of extensions. With features like intelligent code completion, built-in debugging tools, and seamless Git integration, it empowers developers to manage complex projects efficiently. For tasks requiring deep code analysis, refactoring, or working with native modules, VS Code provides the necessary power and flexibility. Deciding between Expo Go and VS Code often comes down to your project's scope and your development phase. For quick mobile app previews and early-stage development, Expo Go is unparalleled in its simplicity and speed. However, for building robust, production-ready applications that might require custom native code or extensive backend development, VS Code provides the indispensable tools and environment. Many experienced developers leverage both, using Expo Go for rapid mobile iteration and VS Code for the heavy lifting of coding and project management, creating a powerful synergy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.